Welcome back to the channel, y'all. This 2009 Beetle. I actually bought this a couple months back in the middle of the blizzard. And it's a 2009. It runs really bad. It has check engine light for missing code or misfiring. And then the transmission went out on me. So yeah. Today I'm gonna do spark plugs, coils, and I'm gonna do a transmission valve body. But we're just gonna do a quick little look-see over. It looks like it was a one-owner car because it's been maintained. It looks really clean. It's not faded. Yellow too bad. Has nice little carpets. Everything is clean in here. Yes, it's my first auto Beetle, but it's really clean. They were gonna junk it, but oh, that door is saggy. All right, let's see what's in the trunk. Oh, carpet mats. Pretty cool. Pretty clean. Yeah, I picked this up for $1,000. $1,000. 5 cylinders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so I'm gonna do coils and spark plugs. But first, I'm gonna read all the codes just to make sure. All right, we got multiple misfires. Cylinder 5 misfire. Cylinder 1 misfire. Cylinder 2 misfire. Cylinder 4 misfire. So it's running on one cylinder. And looks like 5, 1, 2, 4. Same thing. Alright. We're gonna clear those codes and hopefully fix all these misfires. First, we're gonna do a transmission, drain that real quick. No need to keep that on. Dang. All right. So we're gonna drain the transmission fluid first thing. All right. Well, this guy or somebody put a giant steel plate under here, which is cool, I guess. It protects everything, but all right, gotta take that off. All right, guys, we have got the valve body exposed. So now it's time to disconnect the wires, move the wires out of the way, take out that sensor in the middle right here, and take out all these screws and go from there. All right, guys, here's the old one. Here's the new one. It was really messy. It's still leaking. Like, I made a huge mess. And yeah, it's a mess. So, time to put it back in. Which, again, there's nothing to really record because I have like this much space. So, yeah. All right, it's really bright and sunny. It's literally 80, 90 degrees, and I don't even know if you can see. All right. All right, there we go. All right, so here's all the spark plugs. Come on. All right, spark plugs, coils, number 2 or whatever, from passenger to driver. That one looks bad. I mean, it clearly needs a valve cover gasket, so it's time to put the new ones in, the new coils in, see what happens. I would record, but it's really hot and I'm in the sunlight, so yeah. All right, got them fresh coils in, my boy. All right, so now I gotta pump the fluid in the transmission, see what it does. All right, guys, so I got my pump, I got my fluid. So I got a little attachment I got from Amazon because there's no drain plug here. So I'm just gonna pump the fluid, wait till it drains out. That'll let me know if I did too much. And yeah, then I gotta start it up and go through the gears, warm it up till it's about 40 degrees. I got my gun because you're supposed to use a VAC, whatever, Vagcom, whatever it's called. But I don't got that. We're just gonna use the temperature gauge. So yeah, time to pump. Yeah, this is really boring. So yeah, I'm not gonna record all this. So all right, guys, all that's done. Time to start it and see what it does. There's something wrong with this ignition lately. Woo! All right. All right, time to take it for a test drive and see what it does. All right, guys. Unfortunately, it did not fix. It went right to fourth gear, and then started slipping, and then stayed in 3rd gear. So that sucks. So I don't know what to do with this now. I'm gonna keep doing some research, figure it out. But I mean, it's a nice little cool quirky car for $1,000. Just gotta figure out the transmission. So yeah, or maybe the transmission is shot. I don't know. Who knows? But I will talk to you guys later, and you won't see this on the channel too often until I tow it back to Jersey because it's in my parents' house in DC. So all right, y'all. See y'all next time. Peace.